Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this cut crease look. If you guys want to go ahead and learn how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat what I did here on this eye. And for today's look, I'm going to be using the Manny MUA palette. Okay, so first shade we're going to start out with is Kiki, shade right here. And I'm going to use a Morphe M518. It's a Morphe brush. And I'm going to place this color on the inner corner, and I'm going to go about halfway, and I'm going to keep it there. Like that, and then I'm just going to keep building it up until I get the intensity that I want. So just like that, and then I'm going to take the shade right under, which is called Fishy. I'm going to take a Morphe 573, and it looks like this. And I'm going to take that shade where we stopped, the green shade, all the way out. And as I'm doing that, I'm also going to flick it out, just like we did here. Place that shade, and then I'm going to flick it out. And I'm going to go back to Kiki. And you want to make sure right in the middle when they meet is nice and blended. You want to create that gradient, so you want to just, you know, go back and forth from color to color. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And for that I'm using this flat brush right here. So once it's got all the concealer on there, I'm going to start from the inner corner. Well, actually, I'm going to place some concealer right here, and then I'm going to look up, and then right where that touched, that's where I'm going to do, that's going to be my guide for how high I'm going to go. So from there I start in the inner corner, and then I just drag it up. And it tends to help when you look this way onto the mirror than as if you look straight. I'm not so much dragging, I'm just tapping. Now for the outer part, I'm going to drag it out and curve it just like I did with the eyeshadow. And then with my finger, I'm just, sorry, I have all this makeup on my finger. I was swatching the colors. I'm literally all swatched. And then with my finger, I'm just going to tap that concealer on there. I'm going to go back to that brush with the Kiki shade, and I'm just going to go in here just to make sure that. So I'm going to take this R39 brush, and I'm just going to take some of the some of the white shade, this one right here, Cake Face, and I'm just gonna place a little bit on my lid just to set it a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the gold shade in the palette, which is this color right here, which is called Legendary. And with the same finger, I'm gonna dip into the shade, and I'm just going to place it on my lid. And then with this BH Cosmetics brush, this flat brush, I'm going to dip into it, and I'm going to get as close as I can to the Cut-Crease. And then to intensify that color, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some Mario Badescu water. And I'm just gonna run that along. Now, I'm gonna take some of this Urban Decay glitter and I'm gonna run that along that little line, the little line where the blue and green eyeshadow meets the gold. It's because I don't want to leave that bare and then it's just gonna look weird. Just like that. And I'm just gonna wing on my liner. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'm also gonna apply some lashes, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more videos like these. I hope you guys really did like this color combination. I really did love the Lunar Beauty palette. It's amazing. There's so many like good shades. There's so many looks that you can do with this palette, and I will for sure be using it a lot more. And I'll see you guys in my next video.